All right, guys, 2019 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport. Ooh, look at that Grand Sport. It is a sexy beast, sexy stripes, all around really nice, beautiful car. Let me show you what we did on it. Factory converter. Factory converter's only got 14,000 miles on it, guys. Secondary converter's there, then an X pipe under there, then 3-inch pipe out the back. There's valves on it up here too, guys. Look at that, right there, right there. We left those alone, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and then finished it off nicely with 2 carbon fiber black tips. Right there. Clean, nice, beautiful, shiny, all that good stuff right there. There's the 2 mufflers that come on it, and there's the 4 tips. You always have to replace the tips on it in order to do a muffler delete on these, okay? So remember that, guys, because the valves are built into the mufflers, the tips are single out on each side. So you have to cut them off and replace the tips. So when they tell you need to replace the tips, believe them. Make sure you guys check us out on all our other platforms. For sure, subscribe, because we really appreciate you guys subscribing and keeping the support going. Wow. Much better. Look at the idle on it, guys. 93 on the idle. Go ahead. Woo. Much better. That sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 117. Yeah, sounds really nice. Again. 119. Keeps getting louder and louder. Go ahead and bring it on back. See that idle? Very nice. Such a sexy looking car, man. Which one do you guys like more, then? This style or the new body style? Let me know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Just 1 second. Is that better? I told you. Enjoy it, brother. Anytime. Perfect with the carbon fiber tips. It's just clean.